I'm genuinely happy you're here because what we're going to talk about today can immediately upgrade your professional skills. I won't give you any fluff or vague advices. What I'm going to share with you are the specific mistakes I've seen nail tech make over and over, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them. My name is Katrina Aberschat, and I've been doing nails for over 15 years and train nail technician all over the world. I built my career from scratch in the United States, a new country, new language, using this technique. It opened doors I didn't even know existed, doors to events like New York Fashion Week or work with celebrities and well-known magazines. And now I run Mocha Nail Club in Beverly Hills and teach nail technicians around the world through my Nail Business Academy online. Over all those years of teaching, I noticed something. Students would come to me after spending months, sometimes years, watching TikTok videos, YouTube tutorials, trying to piece together a technique on their own. They were losing time, losing clients, sometimes accidentally damaging nails just because no one had shown them the full system. That's why in this video I want to share some of most common mistakes and show you how to fix them. Even after watching this short video, you will already learn valuable points that can improve your work. The technique I work with changed my life, and it continues to prove that clients will pay extra for quality even when the market is full of offers at half the price. I genuinely want to help the nail techs who knows they are capable of more and wants to grow, want a new level, and especially those who are thinking about teaching. What I'll show you today is incredibly valuable, but it's only a small part of the ocean of information I cover in depth in my training course.
Mistake number one is poor pocket opening. The first and the most important step is to properly open the cuticle pocket. Everything that comes after depends on this. You need to leave the pterygium on the surface and push back the cuticle. Lift it and create space to work with your e-file. If there is too much pterygium, work it gently with a buffer or specialized tool first. When you master this step, I promise you, the entire manicure process will change. This is the foundation that most nail techs neglected. Without it, nothing else works the way it should. If you don't create enough space, the bead will not have the space where to work. And if you won't separate all the attached skin from the nail plate, your bead will simply keep overfiling the nail plate. So this is crucial. Mistake number two is wrong work in the sinuses. Sinuses are the most difficult area for nail techs. It's very challenging, and all nail techs are usually having problems with this. Here are some secrets I'm about to give you right now. Start working in the lateral pocket from the bottom up. This might help you and seem less challenging. It will help you to see clearly the space you're working in, and it will give you so much more control. It's very important to keep an eye on the angle of the bead, leaning the body of the bead more towards the side wall rather than overfiling the nail plate from the side. The working part of the bead is the tip in this case. Mistake number three, working too fast and, of course, an angle. Speed is only for advanced nail technicians. If you're only still getting used to this technique, work between 6,000 to 10,000 RPMs, not faster. This way, your work will be more controlled. Finish every nail with a wet cleanup to remove all dust from the cuticle pocket. This cleans and hydrates the cuticle area and prepares it perfectly for the next step, which is trimming the cuticle. Confidence comes before speed, not the other way around. Mistake number four, wrong trimming angle. If your angle is off, you won't get a clean trim. You will see fraying and marks left behind. But when you find the correct angle, the trim is so clean that you won't need polishing at all. This is a skill that takes practice, but once it clicks, you will never go back to the old way. Hold the blade 90-degree perpendicular to the position of the cuticle, where cuticle should be parallel to the nail. And mistake number 5, not understanding your materials, which usually cause product lifting. This one causes so much confusion. Gel bases and hard materials are completely different. Each has its own purpose, its own application, its own different behavior on the nail. In my experience, product confusion is behind a huge percentage of lifting problems. Hard gel is not meant to be as an overlay for natural nails because hard gel is a hard product and natural nails flexible, they flex. So it will eventually flex and separate from the hard gel, causing lifting. In my manicure A to Z course, I dedicated the entire lesson to understanding and testing different materials because when you know your product, everything else becomes easier. And if lifting is your biggest challenge, I also have a separate 3-hour training on exactly this topic included in the course as a bonus. Unfortunately, these things are not being taught at schools and the techniques are changing so fast nowadays because the industry is growing and evolving.
So those are 5 mistakes, and they all have one thing in common. They are things you will learn how to fix from someone who has already solved them. You could try to figure it out, all of this on your own. I know because I did over 15 years, through hundreds of clients, through mistakes I made and corrected and made again until I understood why they happened. But I'm not going to let you take 15 years to get there. Everything I learned, the system, the tools, the technique, the exact steps I use every day at Mocha Nail Club, I put into a course called Combi Manicure A to Z, also known as Russian manicure. One of my students, Caitlin, came to me as a nail tech who was working from home and wanted to take her work to the next level. 2 years after my course, she opened her own studio in Los Angeles. And now she's teaching other nail techs herself, which makes me incredibly proud. Students from all over the world leave reviews about how my courses changed their lives, how they became more confident, how they stopped being afraid to raise their prices because they feel so much more sure of themselves and aren't scared of losing clients. That's what the right system does. It doesn't just improve your work, it changes the direction of your career. Now I want to show you what's inside my training. It includes 3 different tiers. The first, without homework reviews, you study on your own and make your own progress. Essential Pro and Elite with homework reviews, a certificate, and a huge bonus, a 3-hour training webinar on lifting, after which you will forget the problem forever. All tiers include the complete system for doing Russian manicure from A to Z, all material removal, filing, the manicure process, strengthening, and polishing. The Elite package also includes a full blog on working with hard gels, correcting complex shape, repairing broken nails, working with downward growing nails, and detailed information on nail architecture using hard gel techniques. Also included as a gift in Elite tier as a lesson of how to take photos of your work, hand positioning, hand winning poses, how to show the beauty of your work and attract potential clients on social media. In the Elite package, you work personally with me, and after the course, this tier also includes a 1-hour call with me to discuss your professional business development path, as well as a complete toolkit needed for this technique shipped directly to your address. This course is for those who already feel that it's time to stop being afraid, time to stop comparing yourself to others, and finally learn and understand the full system, how this technique works, and how to scale your business and take it to a new level. If you watch this video to this point, it means you're ready to grow and you're already on the path to success. All that's left is to make the right decision. The link to enroll is right below this video. I'll see you inside.